In the last lesson, you may recall that when I was doing the running cut with this gouge, right at the end, I turned the hand a little bit like that as I finished off. That's called rocking the tool through its cut, and I'm going to explore that with you now. A running cut is when you just push the tool straight along in the wood like this. When you rock the tool through its cut, you move from corner to corner by turning the handle. So you'd make a cut like this. And because you're going across the edge, it's usually only a short cut. And you can do it this way or turning the handle this way. Let me show you that close up. We start our cut towards one corner here. Then as the tool moves along, the edge cuts through the wood, and then you come out of the cut before you come to the other corner, like so. We can do it the other way, from this corner to this corner. It's a sort of little scooping cut. Now, important points here are that you want to try and keep the corners clear. In other words, you don't start your cut like this in the wood, and you don't end the cut like this, digging the wood. You want to take the whole scoop so the handle drops down like this. So that's the thing to practice. In order for the cut to start, go along a bit and come out, you need to drop the handle. So the scooping cut involves entering the wood, going along a little bit, and then with the twist coming out like that. So, or the other direction, like so. Now if I had a deep gouge like this one, which is quite a big, almost semicircular gouge, the action would be the same, but I'd have to turn it more, or this way. And what I can do is I can make a deep cut, or I can make a very shallow cut. So this is a very good way of texturing surfaces, but also the slicing action, the moving through the edge, that's a very efficient way of working. So practice this a little bit on your waste wood, and then let's put a sample of this on the sample board. I'm going to use the same tool as I did for the running cuts here, the medium gouge, and I'm going to fill this area with these little scooping rocking cuts. The exercise really is to make all these cuts clean. So I want you to make little cuts like this. And then another little cut over here. Just fill the whole area. You can make them deeper or shallower. And then you can do some this way as well. And each cut should have a nice beginning, a nice middle and a nice end, and leave the wood without any tears. If you get something like this, what you can do is you go over it and take it out. So a little bit like this, take it out. So you're policing the area, checking the area as you go along. It's a very good discipline to have. And finish that whole area just like that.